Have you guys ever experienced this thing where you go to your bedroom at night but the door is locked from the inside? No?
Oh, Colleen locks me out 6 nights a week now.
Because my wife Esmeralda, she is now locking me out of the bedroom.
Tell us more, you poor thing. I enjoy listening.
Yeah, gracias. She told me that my snoring was too loud. You tell me, is this a loud snore? Because she snores way louder than me. This is what she snores like. And that's on a good night, okay?
Oh.
Anyways, looks like I'm sleeping on the floor again because she sold our couch to buy more high heels. Okay, thank you for the time. And that's on a good night,